Hello again. Hey, Fire Agate Mark here. Just gonna go explore the wash. You want to make sure you step loudly. I don't want to surprise any snakes. Let's see what kind of rocks we can find. There's some outcroppings here. The bush looks ominous. Let's see. There's a little combination, some asphalt. There's some gold bearing rock. There's a lot of really pretty quartz. Looks like some really pretty jasper. Let's get that. It looks like there's also a bunch of this material. Let's see. I don't like disturbing any rocks until I actually check them. It's a lot of that really pretty quartz, and that may have a silver vein running through it, so we won't forget where that is. Let's see. Again, there's some more combinations, so at some point, since it's a wash, asphalt runs through here whenever the water gets too high. You can see these little dips and valleys, these little holes for spiders and lizards and snakes. Fun stuff like that in the desert. Ooh, what's this? Huh. Oh my gosh. Extremely elusive windowed fire agate from Deer Creek, Arizona. Look at that green too. My oh my. I wonder how far it is from Deer Creek, Arizona to have washed down here so neatly and been polished like that. What else do we have? Wow, isn't that lucky and just completely unscripted and rare. Yeah. FireAgateMark.com or email fireagatemark@gmail.com. Deer Creek. Deer Creek and Slaughter Mountain are my two favorites, and they're fairly close, so we do have some windows now that I just found them naturally in the wash here. Yeah. You can see all those layers from this angle. You can see how the layers are stacked. All those different color layers stacked on top of each other. So this is the bottom of the stone where my thumb is. This would be toward the top. You carve down to the color and try to maximize it so you can bring out all those little contours and valleys and little bubbles and stuff. Jason Smith did the silver work, but I carved that stone. There's a little bit of Slaughter Mountain. Anyway, isn't that lucky just to find fire agate in our wash like that? That's completely random. So random. There's a lot more wash to explore, so I have a feeling there's a lot more fire agate to be found. So, I love you, AmberJay. I love her. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, subscribing, everything you do. We're so incredibly grateful for you. These big bushes, they just seem ominous. So, yeah, I'm going to wait till it cools off before I go over there, because when it's warm, I don't want to bump into something. Anyway, we're back off on our adventure. You guys have a beautiful night. Thank you for watching.